Okay, so since we can print some log, and now I would like to add some effect to make sure we can hear something when fire the bullet. So the first of all, I have some wave file. Those are some file. It's under the grenade launcher. This is those some files I took from the Epic game shooter game assets. So those are learning material from Epic game. So I just grabbed their Grenade launcher. So yeah, and I just want to use their wave sound. Okay, so go back to I will upload those to the GitHub, so don't worry about it. So far, just go back to our editor, and I'm under the contents. Right now, we have our shooter folder to put all the things, and the Paragon model log stuff we download from the marketplace. Now I will create another one to put our sound effect. So we call weapon. Yeah, we create a weapon folder, and under the weapon folder, we can have a sound. Okay. And okay, so I'm going to open two folders. So the first one is the one on the desktop is the temp folder, and I just have a wave file, a purely wave file, and the other one is my project file. And you can see that this is under content right here, and we just create a weapon. So here you keep going on. We just try to copy paste all this stuff here, and at the same time you can see the update in our editor together. Okay, so we can use those wave file right now. And next is I want to create a GameCube file. So go to under our grenade launch here, sound, and we create the GameCube. So in the sound cube, and we can collect sound cube, and for this is for Modoc fire. So yeah, and let me make sure my convention is SC first. Let me see what else. Oh, I put at the end. Okay, so let's go back and change the name a little bit. This is a Modoc file, and SQ means sound cube, and we can open this sound cube, and you can see the output is here. Right now it's empty, so which means if we use this sound cube right now, nothing will happen. So let's choose which sound we want to use. So I already tried before, so I know basically we need the launcher choose 0, 1, 0, 2 to 0 3D. Maybe 3D is better. Yeah, 3D is better. This is for fire. This is for our firing sound. So maybe okay, we use shooter 3D 1, 0, 1, 0, 2 to 0, 4, and there's a called shoot 3D distant. Okay, so yeah, we can mix the distant one together. So let's select. Okay, let's select launcher shoot 3D 0, 1 to 0, 4, and the distant 1 to distant 4, and right click it, and we can create single cube here. So and so which means because I don't need the original one. Let's delete it. And I want to move this one upper layer like we did before. So I click move here and change the name again. Murdoch, DSK, fire, sun cube. Okay, and open it. So this time the engine already help us link this up, but I don't really like it because basically we want to mix two kind of sound together. So let me close this input. Okay. So what does this mean right now, by the way? So it means, okay, when every time we want to use this sound cube asset, it will randomly pick one of these sound and play. So for example, it make our firing sounds more, we have different taste. Okay, but I want to combine these for the same. So we have another set. Wait, okay, like here, and we can create a sound class. So let me delete this first. Sound class. Okay, so here, let's hear this first. So you can see we have 4 different like a background sound. Okay, but this, and eventually we want to like a cross fade by distance, so we can have the blending sound together. You can see this note basically is by the distance to the listener, but I don't want to talk this too deep, but basically we use this first. We can change, of course, but let me save and listen. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is our sound cube, and the name is Murdoch Fire Sound Cube. So we have our sound cube. So now we need to implement the variable in our C++. Then we can use it in our code. Okay, so since we create our sound cube assets, we want to use this when we fire, right? So go back to our C++. Okay, character.h. We need a pair variable to save to let us in the future can assign this sound cube file to our character. So basically, it's all trick. We just need to declare the variable. So we are using this one. Basically, I just copy paste it, and the sound cube. Basically, we already know we have a sound cube, right? So the type, of course, is sound cube, and I use for declare. So we don't need to include the header file here, and I will put this variable under comeback. We can easily find it in the future. Okay, so we have fire sound cube. So which means in Blueprint we need to assign the asset to this variable before we really fire our gun. Okay, and we are going to our fire LMB function. Right now we only just print something, but here we want to make the sound. So to play the sounds quite easily, but basically we need to check our variable if it exists or not. If it's not, we don't play it. And how we play the sound is the gain static. and create 2D sum and put a variable. So I think we can try this first to hear what it sounds like. But before that, don't forget we need to include our header file. So the first one we need to include is some cube because we do the forward click declare right there. So some cube here, and the next one is the gameplay statics. So of course we need to include the gameplay statics here. Okay, so let's close our editor and build it. Okay, so don't forget we need to set our asset first. So go to our character BP, and we put this under combat, right? The file sound effect, we select the one Murdoch, reformer Murdoch. What name we called? Let me check again. Murdoch fire. Let's see, Murdoch fire. Fire. Okay, this is the one we just created, and we compile. Now we can test. Yeah, I'm clicking my left button, mouse button, and you can hear the sound. And also you can check the log. Yeah, we are successfully assigned a sound. So the next we are trying to add some visual effect on it.